Internationalized domain name is nothing but localization and everyone to feel comfortable on the internet. So we have got the approval of 7 IDN CCTLDs.
For many millions of these users, the introduction of IDN means they will be able to access the internet entirely in their primary language. We, along with the CDAC Pune and the linguists, are making an implementation plan, and by the middle of the next year, we hope to come out with the IDN kind of domain names in the Indian scripts and the languages. It is not the technological challenges that will determine our success or failure, but our ability to structure the solutions around what we know about language and culture.
Now, one can have the domain name cdac.bharat in different languages. The DIT, CDAC, and NIXI are working hand in hand to provide the same at the earliest.
It's important not to forget the huge opportunities for internationalized domain names for that those 4 billion users are showed over there to actually interact in their own language, in their own script with local content. And that opportunity, I think, is far huger than the pain that maybe a small percentage of companies have to face.
Why these 7 was basically based upon the population of the speakers.
We are today having close to around 1 million of .in registrations are there. Definitely it will increase manifold. We expect a good rise within that, something like 6 to 7 times. It is more about basically coming close to the customer. But however, when it comes to the what is called the internet medium, the Indian language contents are very sparse. The contents needs to come up to the expected level. And that's one of the major challenges which I personally feel for the growth of the IDN basically. So the grand challenge is again basically the contents. Content is finally the king.
The world wakes up to the opportunities and some of the problems that come with new GTLDs. I think we're going to start to see more and more people react to them. I think to the business people and the city leaders and other leaders who are looking at these to try and put together a successful business case.
Why is it that people have to fight for domain names and commerce? Because when Shakespeare said, "What's in a name?" he did not imagine someday that domain names would be coming. And he would not now, if he were here, tell what's in a domain name. Because there's a lot in a domain name.
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले है, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले है।